that we are, according to our karma, sometime down, sometime up. In this way we are wandering. That Shastra says, they say, you are wandering in this way. Your business is how to become materially happy, how to satisfy your senses. But don't do that. Don't do that. Then what shall I do? Tasyaiva hetu. How to understand Krishna? For that purpose you should endeavor. Then how shall I eat? No. That eating and sleeping, the business of the body, that is already arranged. That is already arranged. You don't have to work for it. Kalena sadvatra gavirarang tallabhati dukkha badannatas sukham. Our endeavor is to achieve happiness. That is our struggle for existence. Shastra says, tallabhati dukkhavat. Dukkhavat means just like we don't want anything unhappy or miserable condition of life. But you get it. You don't endeavor it for it. Nobody says, let there be fire in my house, let my child die. Nobody aspires these things. Everyone thinks that my child may live, there may not be any danger, I get so much money. Nobody thinks of the opposite. But the opposite number comes. The catastrophes come. You don't pray for it. You don't go to the temple for praying, my Lord, let there be fire in my house. Nobody goes. He goes for something better. The Shastra says that which you do not pray for, still it comes. Dukkhavat, without your invitation. Similarly, whatever happiness you will have to enjoy, that will also come. Tallabhati dukkha vadannatha sukham. Therefore, the conclusion is that don't try for your so-called happiness or so-called distress. Try to achieve that position where you can understand Krishna and get shelter at his lotus feet. This is human endeavor. Tasyaiva hita prajati takovida nalabhate jad bhramatam uparjata. Upariyadha. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Rupa Goswami, এই রূপে ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভ্রমিতে কোন ভাগ্যবান জি গুরু কৃষ্ণ কৃপায় পায় ভক্তিলতা বীজ. We are wandering in this way, up and down. ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভ্রমিতে. ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভ্রমিতে কোন ভাগ্যবান জি. If one is fortunate, he can get the information of devotional service to Krishna. He gets this information. So, this assembly, this Krishna consciousness movement is an attempt to make people fortunate, from the unfortunate position to become fortunate. Everyone is unfortunate. At least in this age. Manda sumanda mandayo, sumanda matayo, manda bhagya. Now see, everyone, everywhere, there is simply problem. There is simply problem. One problem in one country, another problem in another country. There is strike, there is government, there is even the president, and he is also has to meet so many problems. At the end he has to be dragged down. Now he is going to die in the hospital. What to speak of others? The problem. Only problem. Therefore everyone is unfortunate. This is the conclusion. You may think that I am very fortunate. President Nixon was thinking, I am very fortunate. I have become the President of United States. But now he is realizing I am the most unfortunate. This is for everyone. Don't think that only the culprit is President Nixon and I am very safe. There is a Bengali proverb, Ghute pore gobor hase. Gobor means cow dung and ghute means what is called in English, the dry cow dung. The dry cow dung is used for fuel. So when the dry cow dung is being burned into the oven, the soft cow dung is laughing. Oh, you are being burned, I am in safe side. He does not know that when he will be dry, he will be put into the fire. So we are laughing that President Nixon is in trouble. I am very safe. I have got so much bank balance. No, nobody is safe. They as like the same cow dung soft. When it will be dried out, it will be put into the fire. And that dryness will come to everyone. That is a fact. What is that? Death. You may be saved at the present for a few years, but you cannot avoid death, as sure as death. And what is the result of death? The same. As the President is taken out from his position, everything, all honor, all money, all even life. Similarly, at the time of death, Krishna says, Mrityu sarva harascha aham. I come as death and plunder everything, whatever you have got. Your bank balance, your skyscraper building, your nice wife, your children, you have to give up. You cannot say, my dear death, kindly give me some time, let me adjust. No adjustment immediately. Get out. So, foolish people, they do not know what is the miserable condition of this material life. Therefore, Krishna says, real knowledge is janma mrityu jara vyadhi, to know that however great I may be, these four principles of miserable condition of life, there are. It is existing in the Brahma Loka, in the Patal Loka.